Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is linear differential equation. Let me define first what is linear differential equation. An equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x is called a linear differential equation of first order in y. If you have a linear differential equation, how to solve that linear differential equation? Here we have a working rule. To solve the linear differential equation of first order in y, first find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor for this linear differential equation is e power integral p of x into dx. Then its general solution is y into integrating factor is equal to q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Note, suppose if you have an equation of the form dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of x. This differential equation is called linear differential equation of first order in x. So, in this case, integrating factor is e power integral p of y into dy. General solution is x into integrating factor is equal to integral q of y into integrating factor dy plus c. So polar form. An equation of the form dr by d theta plus p of theta into r is equal to q of theta. Then its integrating factor is e power integral p of theta into d theta. And its solution is r into integrating factor is equal to integral q of theta into integrating factor into d theta plus c. In the same way, if you have a differential equation in a polar form like d theta by dr plus p r into theta is equal to q of r is also a linear differential equation whose integrating factor is e power integral p of r into dr. Then its solution is theta into integrating factor is equal to integral q of r into integrating factor dr plus c. So I have given you both Cartesian form and polar form of a linear differential equation of first order in both the variables in x and y, in theta and r. Okay. Now let us discuss one or two problems based on this linear differential equation. So let me take the first example. Solve x of plus into dy. Solve x plus 1 into dy by dx minus y is equal to e power 3x of x plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the given differential equation. To know whether this is a linear differential equation of first order in y or x, you have to divide throughout this differential equation by x plus 1. So if we divide throughout this differential equation with x plus 1, what will we get? Dy by dx minus y by x plus 1 is equal to e power 3x into x plus 1. Okay, whatever the given differential equation, I am dividing this equation by x plus 1 and we got this differential equation. Now observe this linear differential equation. Observe this differential equation. Is it in a form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x? Yes, it is in a form of dy by dx plus p of y. Here p of y is minus 1 by x plus 1. P of y into y is equal to q of x. Okay, so we identified after dividing the given differential equation by x plus 1, we got this form. This is in a form of dy by dx plus p of y, p of x into y is equal to q of x, which is linear differential equation of first order in y. Okay, if you have a linear differential equation of first order in y, integrating factor will become e power integral p of x into dx. Okay, so from this differential equation, it is in a form of dy by dx plus p of y into, sorry, p of x into y is equal to q of x. Write down p q values. P is minus 1 by x plus 1. and q is e power 3x of x plus 1. In this case, integrating factor is e power integral p of x into dx, where p of x is minus 1 by x plus 1. So it becomes e power minus integral 1 by x plus 1 into dx, which is equal to e power integral 1 by x plus 1 dx is log of x plus 1. So it becomes e power minus log of x plus 1. So minus log of x plus 1 can be written as log of x plus 1 power minus 1, which is equal to e power log of 1 by x plus 1. E and this log gets cancelled, you get only 1 by x plus 1. So integrating factor is 1 by x plus 1. Now the general solution is what? Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q of x into integrating factor into dx is equal to into dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. See, here y into, what is integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 by x plus 1. 1 by x plus 1 is equal to integral e power 3x. Here q of x is what? Q of x is e power 3x into x plus 1. So I have substituted in place of q is e power 3x into x plus 1 into integrating factor, that is 1 by x plus 1 into dx plus c. So it becomes y by x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 gets cancelled. We get integral e power 3x into dx plus c. So which is equal to y by x plus 1 is equal to e power 3x integration is e power 3x by 3 plus c. Okay, from this is equal to on cross multiplying this, we get y is equal to e power 3x by 3 plus c into x plus 1. This is a general solution of the given differential equation, which is in a form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. Okay, next go to another problem. Solve 1 plus y square into dx is equal to tan inverse y minus x into dy. This is the differential equation. We do not know whether this differential equation is a linear differential equation of first order in y, or it is a linear differential equation of first order in x. Okay, to identify that, what we have to do? Yes, you consider whatever the given equation, you write it. Now you bring dy to LHS side, it becomes 1 plus y square into dx by dy is equal to tan inverse y minus x. Okay, now whatever dx dy you have, you write, you take as it is to the LHS side, you bring 1 plus y square to the RHS side. It becomes tan inverse y minus x whole divided by 1 plus y square. So dx by dy is equal to tan inverse y minus x by 1 plus y square you get. Okay. Then on simplification, you get dx by dy plus tan in dx by dy is equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square minus x by 1 plus y square you get. If you bring minus x by 1 plus minus x by 1 plus y square to LHS side, it becomes plus. Okay. After simplification, I have written this differential equation, that is dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x is equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Now you observe this differential equation. Is it in a form of dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y? Yes, it is in a form of dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. So which is a linear differential equation of first order in x So in this case, to solve this linear differential equation of first order in x, integrating factor is equal to e power integral p of y into dy. This is equal to e power integral p of y, here 1 by 1 plus y square. This is p of y and this is q of y. P of y is 1 by 1 plus y square and q of y is tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. So e power integral p of y dy is integrating factor. This is equal to e power integral 1 by 1 plus y square into dy is the integrating factor, which is equal to e power. We all know that 1 by 1 plus y square dy, this integration is equal to tan inverse y. Okay. Now, general solution is x into, it is a, we identified it is in a form of dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y, which is a linear differential equation of first order in x. In this differential equation, in this case, general solution is equal to x into integrating factor is equal to integral q of y into integrating factor dy plus c. That is the general solution. So here in general solution, I have written x into e power integrating factor is e power tan inverse y. X into integrating factor, that is e power tan inverse y, is equal to integral q of y. You should write what is q of y, tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. So here tan inverse y by 1 plus y square you should write into integrating factor is e power tan inverse y into dy plus c you should write. But I have written direct step here by considering tan inverse y is equal to t. If I take tan inverse is equal to tan inverse y is equal to t, 1 by 1 plus y square dy becomes dt. Okay, this RHS term becomes t into e power t into dt plus c. Okay. Now integrate this x into e power tan inverse y is equal to integral t into e power t into dt plus c. We got this by substituting tan inverse y as a t. By substituting tan inverse y as a t and 1 by 1 plus y square dy as a dt, we got this. Okay. Now integrate x into e power tan inverse y is equal to, you follow integral uv dv rule. Okay. According to that integral uv du rule, this is equal to t into u into v1, that is integration of e power t, that is t into e power t minus t differentiation is 1 and e power t integration is e power t. Therefore integral t into e power t into dt integration is t into e power t minus e power t plus c. Now substitute, we have taken t as a tan inverse y, substitute tan inverse y in place of t. X into e power tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse y into e power tan inverse y minus e power tan inverse y plus c. So on simplification, we get x is equal to tan inverse y minus 1 plus c by e power tan inverse y. Tan inverse y is the required solution. So this is about linear differential equation of first order in y and linear differential equation of first order in x. We discussed definition and how to solve these two differential equations. Linear differential equation of first order in y as well as linear differential equation of first order in x.